Hey there and welcome back. First of all, I want to wish you all a happy new year and I hope you had a Merry Christmas. In this video, as is the first one of the year, I wanted to talk a bit about New Year's resolutions. And as a disclaimer, I want to say that I'm not really into New Year's resolutions. Just because I think there's something people choose to begin with at the beginning of the year and then they don't keep up with it. So I'm mostly gonna talk a bit about habits I want to include in my everyday life, mostly to prepare myself for my life as an artist. And I'm not a very successful artist right now, but I want to live from my art, so you gotta get into some habits of keeping track of what you earn and things like that, and that's what I would really want to start doing. So yeah, the first thing is, as I'm saying, keeping track of what I earn and what I spend with my art. And again, this is only for me to realize what I can do with what I earn with my art so far. I also set a bit of a goal of what I want to earn this year, but I can't really control that, so it's mostly like something that if I reach, I will be very happy. And that's 500 euros. I mean, it's not that much, but I don't earn too much right now. I just I don't know, maybe about 200 a year or something like that. But yeah, that's just something that if I reach, I will be very happy. Then another thing will be get out of. I've been a bit stuck with Instagram lately, like for the last year or so. I've been stuck in 2,000 followers. With this changing of algorithms and all, I've been posting a lot, but I don't get as many followers. I only lose and keep getting stuck. So I really would like to get out of that, being more constant with what I upload and keeping a bit of track of what I do upload that really gets liked and what doesn't. And I'm not saying I'm gonna only upload to please people, but I don't know, I want to know what people like to see about my art. So yeah, I will love to get out of that stuck and maybe reach 2,500 followers or something like that. That will be good. I will feel accomplished with that. Then I will love to finish at least two projects of my own with my art, and one I already have in mind. I don't want to talk about it just yet, and I don't know, the other will be simpler because this one is a bit complex and I have never done anything like that before. But yeah, because I usually start a lot of projects, but then it takes a lot of me to actually finish a project and stick with it for a long time. I also want to do a lot more of digital drawing, so I'm gonna try to, when I finish one, start another right away. And I have keep track of that. I've done one already, which isn't that bad. But yeah, because I really like to work with digital, it's quite interesting. But I feel that it takes me a lot of time to actually sit and draw in digital, like in Photoshop and things like that. Just have to make a conscious effort to actually do it. And I also thought about doing a little zine for my Inktober this year. I will see, depending on my illustrations and all of that, but it will be interesting. Also, I will love to keep posting here on YouTube, as I've been doing this last month, like regularly once a week. And if I could reach 100 followers, I will be so happy. It's not a lot, but I will be very happy. And I want to finish more sketchbooks, because the last one took me about 2.5 years to finish. And I'm planning on finishing at least one sketchbook this year and start another. Doesn't have to be 2 sketchbooks, but at least one and something of other, so I can actually doodle more, because I've been using my sketchbook kind of like I need to keep it clean and to do cool stuff on it, but no, I want to doodle a lot and learn a lot, and practice the fundamentals too. So yeah, that's basically it. I will also love to be a part of Inktober again. Maybe try to do this year Mermay, because I really think it's a cool challenge. But May is always a very busy year here in Spain for university students, because it's like the last month and you're with finals and all of that. But I will try at least to do some of them. And then I've set up a challenge for myself. It will be Fan Art February, hopefully I will do it next month, and it will be about not drawing all fan art, but my loved fan art. I mean, things that I really love, and I want to do a bit of an homage of it. So yeah, that was basically it. I would love to hear about your New Year resolutions if you have some, and stay creative. I'll see you next Friday. Thank you for watching. Bye!